Here this is the skeleton of pig, in which we can see that the pigs are having 14 to 15 pair of rib. So 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 pair of ribs are visible here, forming the cage, thoracic cage, of which 7 are external, 7 pair, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and 7th are, these first 7 are external ribs, and remaining 7 or 8 are external, because sometimes 15 ribs are found, and they are strongly curved, and the last usually small and floating. Sometimes this 15th is there, that is small and floating, and they are strongly curved with a distinct angle. So angle, we can see this is the distinctly present in this aspect. In this way, this is forming the roof of the thoracic cavity, then this way, this lateral border of the thoracic cavity they are forming, and this point it is forming the angle. So angle are distinctly visible. The backward slope of the posterior rib is slight. So few we can see that backwardly there slightly we can see. The first rib is prismatic, has a large sternal end. This one is prismatic, we can see in this aspect. So first one is prismatic in appearance, having a large sternal end, we can see here in this aspect, and a very short cartilage. So this cartilage is very short. Then tubercle fuses with the head on the last 4 or 5 to 6. The tubercle, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 5, 6, the ribs which we can see that tubercle fuses with the head. In this aspect, we can see that last 5 or 6 vertebrae in which we can see that tubercle and head are fused. Then second to fifth form diarthrodial joint. This is the first, then second, third, fourth and fifth. This second, third, fourth, fifth is forming the diarthrodial joint with their cartilage. This is the diarthrodial joint, which are wide and plate-like. In this aspect we can see they are wide and plate-like. And the 15th rib, when present, may be fully developed. Sometimes there is 15th rib is found. If present, they are fully developed, and its cartilage enter into the formation of costal arch. So in this way, it is forming the costal arch. But in most cases, it is floating, and in some time, it is only about an inch in length. Very small piece of this rib is there. Sometimes that is visible. So this is about the differentiating features of the ribs in case of pig.